everyone, welcome back to our 宙斯 channel. In the last video, we brought you our carbon fiber rear spoiler for Range Rover Sport. But what other carbon fiber accessories are easy to install and boost your ride ultimate sporty vibes? Don't miss today's video. Today I'm going to introduce this replacement carbon fiber mirror cover for Range Rover Sport. It comes in two designs, the classic 3K width and the forget width. Both are crafted from pure dry carbon fiber. First, let's take a look at 3K mirror covers. It's already installed on our cars. You can see the carbon fiber surface is super shiny. Every wave pattern is neatly and evenly arranged. The painted finish looks crystal clear from every angle, showcasing tire quality. The forged surface has a more free-spirited and bold texture. It embodies the Land Rover brand's wild, tiger-pronouncing energy, a striking contrast to the 3K wave's sleek uniformity. When it comes to installation, the back of mirror cover is equipped with OEM matching brackets. Just use the pry tool to remove the original mirror housing, align our carbon fiber cover with the mounting position, and snap it into place. The entire process is non-destructive and super convenient. Of course, the final result is flawless, highlighting the Range Rover Sport's luxury and sportiness. You can also pair with SV body kit, carbon fiber rear spoiler from our previous video for a full carbon fiber exterior upgrade. So what do you think about these carbon fiber mirror covers? Do you prefer the 3K widths or the forged widths? Let me know your answer in the comments. Follow me and like this video. Next time, we will bring you more exciting products and content. See you next time. Bye!